Hello learners, in this tutorial I am going to explain how to execute the Hello World example in the PLSQL programming using Oracle Database 19c version. So first of all we will see what is the PLSQL logical structure, then we will see the basic syntax, then we will see how to execute the Hello World program in the PLSQL programming. So you can see this is the PLSQL block structure. Basically we have three blocks in the PLSQL blocking. So first one is the declaration, second one is the executable command sections, third one is the exception handling sections. In the declaration section, start with the keyword declare. It is an optional section and define all variable, cursors, subprograms and other elements to be used in the program. So the second block is executable command section. This section is enclosed between the keyword begin and end, and it is a mandatory section. So the executable command section is the mandatory sections. The last section is the exception handling. This section start with the keyword exception and this is the optional section. So basically that handle the errors in the program. So those are the basic three block structure of the PLSQL blocking. So when you are executing that PLSQL block, you have to declare you have to include those blocks on your PLSQL block. Then we will see what is the basic syntax of the PLSQL block. So as you can see in the declaration sections you can initialize, then you can include the declaration sections. Then after that we can start the executable command sections with the begin statement. Then the exception, it is the optional sections in the and that exception sections you can include your exceptions handling, and the PLSQL block end with the end and the semicolon, that is the mandatory. So this is the basic syntax of the PLSQL blocking. So now we will see how to execute the uh, hello world program in using PLSQL. So for that I have installed the Oracle 19c version on my Windows 10 operating system. So if you have any issues with that, you can watch my previous video. I have explained how to install Oracle 19c database versions on the Windows 10 operating system. And in addition to that, I have explained how to connect to the Oracle database 19c version using SQL Developer. So if you have any issues, you can watch that video. So now already we have configured our SQL developer. Now we will connect to the Oracle database. So for that you have to connect you have to open your connection. So right click on that and you have to simply already it has disconnected. So if you want to connect your database, then you have to click on this connection name, whatever the connection you have created. My connection name is system, so you have to right click on that one, click on the connect button, then automatically it will connect. If you want to see the credentials details of this connection, simply right click on that and go to the properties, then it will show the all connection details. Okay. Okay, now I will show you how to execute the hello world program. So first of all you have to type the declare, then you have to initialize the variable. So I am initializing a variable which is message. So my variable name is message, then it is a varchar2 type variable. So varchar to the character. I can store up to 20 characters of this variable. So then I am initializing a variable, a value for this variable. My value is hello world. Okay, so this is my variable value. Then I'm going to start my declaration exceptions executable command section. So to start that executable command sections, you have to type begin, then you have to type dbms output dot put line, then you have to pass your variable. Okay, my variable name is message. Then you have to end your PLSQL block. You have to type end colon, then you have to put the forward slash. Okay, so simply when you are executing this one, you can execute this one by click on this green run statement button. So you can see that PLSQL procedure successfully completed, but you can't see the hello world message. So now we will see how to get that hello world message. The reason is still we haven't connect to the DBMS output. So you can see at the bottom I have opened that DBMS output window. To open that output window, you have to go to the view. You have to go to the view and select DBMS output. Then it will open this window. Then you can see there is a green cross sign, enable the DBMS output for connection. So you have to click on that connection. Then it will pop up the window and you have to select the connection. So my connection is system, so you have to select that connection name. So if you have multiple connections, then you have to given the correct connection name. So I will give the connection name as system, then click on the OK button. If you want, you can edit your connection, you can add connections. Those things we can do with this pop-up window. Okay, so I'm click on this OK. Then you can see system connection has enabled for the DBMS output. Okay, then if you execute this command again, you can see now you can see hello world message has display in the DBMS output. So using the DBMS output, you can get your output. So hopefully I think you will have a better understanding how to execute the PLSQL hello world program. So if you have any issues with that, you can put on the your questions in the comment section. Thank you.